A carrier signal C of t, a carrier signal C of t, 5 cos 2 pi 10 power 60 is modulated with a message signal. This is carrier signal and this is message signal. Okay, so coming to the solution, carrier signal is given as 5 cos 2 pi fc, 5 cos 2 pi 10 power 60. 5 cos 2 pi 10 power 60. You compare this with AC cos 2 pi fct. Compare this with AC cos 2 pi fct. Message signal is given as cos 8 pi 10 power 3t. 8 pi 10 power 3t. And you compare this with AM cos 2 pi fmt. Okay, this is the standard representation of carrier and message. So from here, we can understand AC value is 5 and FC value is 10 power 6 hertz. Units are hertz. And AC is voltage 5 volts you can take. From the second equation, we can compare and get AM value 1 and then FM value is, you have to just take 2 pi FM, 2 pi FM. But here 8 pi 10 power 3 is there. So you leave 2 pi and remaining 4 you join with 10 power 3. So it will become 4 into 10 power 3 hertz. 4 into 10 power 3 hertz. Okay. So you can see this is the lower frequency and this is the higher frequency. This is the higher frequency. Okay. Carrier will have higher frequency. Message will have lower frequency. And these two are mixed to generate AM signal. AM signal is generated. Okay. The modulation index of the generated AM is 0.5. Modulation index is given 0.5. Okay, modulation index is given 0.5. Sketch the spectrum and calculate bandwidth, power and neta. Neta means efficiency. Okay, how the spectrum will be AM single tone modulation. We know the spectrum. Okay, we know the spectrum. Center we will have AC by 2 and on either sides we will have AC mu by 4 and then AC mu by 4. Frequencies are, this is FC plus FM and this is FC minus FM. 3 frequencies. Okay. And then on the left side also we will have carrier component AC by 2. On either sides we will have AC mu by 4 and then AC mu by 4 and minus FC plus FM and then minus FC minus FM. Okay. These 3 frequencies on the left side. This is origin. Complete x-axis, it is frequencies taken. So I am writing F. This is the modulated signal in AM. Name is S of F. S of F. Okay. This is the diagram. Now bandwidth means this is the bandwidth, higher cutoff minus lower cutoff. Bandwidth equal to 2 FM. Bandwidth equal to 2 FM. Okay. So now I will go with the A part question. Sketch the spectrum completed. I have completed the diagram. Calculate bandwidth. Bandwidth formula I have written 2 FM and FM value I have calculated 4 into 10 power 3. FM value I calculated 4 into 10 power 3. I have written low frequency. Next to low frequency I have written 4 into 10 power 3. So 2 times 4 into 10 power 3 is nothing but 8 into 10 power 3 or 8 kilohertz. 8 kilohertz is the bandwidth. Okay. So now they are asking about power. Power means total power. Power means total power. Formula is carrier power into 1 plus mu square by 2. Carrier power into 1 plus mu square by 2. See the equation 1a. Okay. So PC into 1 plus mu square by 2 is the total power formula. And also PC means AC square by 2 is the formula for carrier power. Then 1 plus mu square by 2. Okay. So AC already we identified the value is 5. AC value is 5. AC square means 25 by 2. And then 1 plus mu value given in the question itself 0.5. I will take it as half for simplification to be easy. And then mu square means half whole square is 1 by 4 and then divided by 2. Okay. So simplify this 25 divided by 2, then 1 plus 1 by 8 and make LCM whatever possible simplification you can do it. For better cancellation, you can retain the fractions. So 9 by 8. Here we can, what we can further do, this is 12.5 into 9 by 8 means 1 point, okay, 1, 1.125, 125, okay. Now we have to multiply this to, I will directly write the answer 14.0625, okay. I will directly write the answer 14.0625 watts. Power units are watts, okay. This is about the total power. This is about the total power. Next, efficiency calculation. Efficiency calculation, we know the formula. Mu square by 2 plus mu square is the formula. You can see equation 2 here, equation 2 here, okay. Mu square by 2 plus mu square. Now substitute mu value given as 0.5, okay, or 1 by 2. I will take 1 by 2 for simplification to be easy. Half square 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square, and then I will make it 1 by 4, 1 by 4 divided by 2 plus 1 by 4. Make LCM, simplify 1 by 4, and then 8, 9 by 4. Okay, 9 by 4. 4 will get cancelled. 1 by 9. 1 by 9. So I don't have the value. I will do it here. 0. Okay, 111. This is absolute value. This is absolute value. In percentage means multiply with 100. Multiply with 100. Okay, so it will become 11.1%. 11.1%. Efficiency is 11.1%. Okay, multiplying with 100 for percentage. Now go to the B part question. B part question, determine the quantity PSB by PC. Determine the quantity. Okay, B part PSB by PC. What is the fraction? PSB by PC. Okay. Already sideband power, total sideband power, you can see the last line on the left side. Last line on the left side, I underlined. Last line on the left side, I underlined. PSB is total sideband. Formula is AC square mu square by 4. AC square mu square by 4. AC square mu square by 4. Okay. And PC. PC carrier power already we know. Okay. The first line, left side, first line, second line, left side, second line. I underlined PC equal to AC square by 2. PC equal to AC square by 2. Okay. I will take AC square by 2. Now AC square will get cancelled. 1, 2 also will get cancelled. We are left out with mu square by 2. Okay. So already we know that mu value is given 0.5. In the question, mu value is given 0.5 or half. Okay. I will substitute the half here, whole square by 2, which is 1 by 4 divided by 2, which is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is the value. Okay. If you further simplify, it becomes 0.125. 0.125. Okay. We will not give some calculations, equations behind. We will not give problems with such equation simplifications and all. Okay. So we will directly, A portion is very, very important. The solution for A part is very, very important because it is direct formula substitution. It is direct formula substitution.